Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add funds onto your account on Uber Eats. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uber Eats application on your device, and once you open it up, proceed with logging into your account using your email address and password or your other credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to add funds onto your account, tap on the account option at the bottom right corner. You can then tap on the wallet option and you will see the add payment method button. If you don't already have payment methods, tap on the add payment method button and proceed with using either one of these options to add a payment method onto your account. Once you proceed with adding your payment method by using PayPal, credit card, your bank account, or Venmo, and any of the other methods, you will be able to top up your Uber Cash wallet using these methods. You can then simply use either one of these methods to top up cash onto your Uber wallet. And now you can use these funds in order to place order within the Uber Eats app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add funds onto your Uber Eats account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.